The next thing we want to look at under properties or the characteristics of sets is what we call the union of sets. Remember in my video I said I always use real life situation. If I need to mention name for you to understand my concept, I'm going to do that. So we notice like in APC in Nigeria, it was formed by some set of political parties merging together, and then it was formed by the merging together of some numbers of political parties. A situation where two association or group of persons merge together to form another association is what we call the union of a set. So the next property we look at is the union of a set. So if we have the symbol for union of a set is this, you can use this symbol, not U. This place is not flat, it is curved, it is parabolic. So this is the symbol for union, not this one. The extremity is like a quadratic curve that touches the origin at a point. That is a quadratic curve of the function y equals to x squared. That is the shape we use as union of sets. Now, we say that if you have two sets, I can call APC A and call PDP B. So if I say A, which stands for APC, union B, which I am using in this video to represent PDP, if this is to happen, means if the membership of APC merge together with the members of PDP to form a new political party, which will be a new name or take one of the previous existing names. That is what we call union of a set. For instance, if party A has the following member A, B, C, K, M. If party A has this as the identification or the registration number of its member, that is, if APC have these members and PDP have these members, clearly you see that the person with the registration number A, Mr. A is here in APC, and that's why Mr. A is in PDP. So if you see A here in this set and also see A, it means that this person is a member of this association and also a member of this association. Just as I am a member of a particular church and I'm also a member of another association. So in that case, if they should write my church, I will still have my identity. If they should write the state of where I belong, I will still have my identity there. So now if A and B is to merge together to form another set, this person, Mr. A and Mr. B, this person, Mr. A, and this man, Mr. K, which are present in both parties, will have to come as a member of party A or succeed as a member of party B. So therefore, A union B will now be A to record all the members of A want to merge with all the members of B. So A, B, C, K, M. Then after this, we notice that now I want to write this one and still merge it to form a bigger group. So A has already come under PDP, so he will not be here again under APC. But C is a unique APC member, so when I put C, the person having the identity I is a unique APC member. So when I put here I, and we have here W. So this is what we call a union. Now let me give you a shortcut to remember this. This is a shortcut I want to give you. A shortcut to remember the union of a set. If you are given two sets to find the union and you want to be very correct and you don't want to make mistakes, this is the shortcut you need to do. If you are given A and these are the elements of set A and they are K, M, P, C, and the elements of the second association have the following identification number. K, comma, 2, comma, I, comma, W, comma, let's say M. And you are to find A union B. This is B. I define A union B. Please follow what you're going to do. What you do is this. Go to both sets and circle out the common elements. You see, this is K is common. That means K is present in both sets. Let's go to both sets. Circle out the element you find in both. M is here, but M is also here. So I circle M. P is here, P is not there. I won't circle it. C is here, C is not here. Now, to find A union B, the first thing you do is this. Copy all the elements of the first set. That is K, comma, M, comma, P, comma, C. The next step you follow is copy the uncircled element of the second set. Copy the elements you have not circled in the second set and add. So I did not circle 2, so I'll copy 2. I did not circle I, I'll copy I. And I did not circle W, and I'll copy W. And this is the answer for A union B.